Okay guys, I welcome you all to tonight's video. It's another beautiful opportunity for us to be together again. It is the time for the $500 trading tips for trading boom and crash, where we usually analyze the market together, check out the market direction, and of course I always use it as an opportunity to give us trading tips on what to go for whenever we are trading. And we'll be having another edition of it again tonight. So quickly, let's go straight into what we have right here. So before we go fully into it, okay, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash, and of course, if you are new on this platform, kindly give me a follow, like this video, and share this video with friends and family. Okay, so these are the assets I will be checking out. Everything I will be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I will be using. The performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. If you're not joining me live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the chart before you can follow up with the analysis. As for the $500 profit per day, it all depends on your trading capital. The more your trading capital, the easier it is for you to achieve. But you can always grow from a small trading capital to a bigger one. Okay, so quickly let's go straight into what we have right here, starting with boom 1000. So this is 5 minute time frame, and this is boom 1000. I'm using the 3M trend Milka trading indicator to do my analysis right from here. So the uptrend started from here, got to this region, and of course had a major pullback, went back up to break out above the resistance zone to get to a new resistance. So it has gotten to a new resistance. It has not been able to break out from there. If it's unable to break out from there, then it will go fully into a downtrend. So we expect more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity, except if it breaks out from that resistance zone. That is when it will keep on buying. Okay, let's check out boom 500. Boom 500 had also been on uptrend for a very long time, and of course played around there for a while, and it broke out above here, and of course it got to a new resistance zone, and it was unable to break out from there. So it started a downtrend also right from there. So this should be giving us more of a selling opportunity also than a buying opportunity. Next asset is going to be Crash 1000. Let's check it out right away. This is Crash 1000. Crash 1000 was on uptrend but came to an end at this resistance zone. So it started a downtrend right from there. It has been selling since then, okay? And it is still selling at the moment, even though it is around the support zone. If it's unable to break out from there, it will go back into an uptrend, okay? So this is our selling at the moment. It might not be for a very long time, most especially if it's unable to break out from there, okay? Next asset is going to be Crash 500. Let's check it out right away. This is Crash 500. It started an uptrend from here, got to the resistance zone and played around it for a while, and right from there it started selling, okay? So this is going to be giving us more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. The last asset is going to be Volatility 75. Let's check it out right away. Volatility 75 had been on uptrend for a very long time. We are hoping that it will go back on buy trend right from here, but it was unable to break out above the resistance zone, and of course it came down again. And if it's unable to break out below the support zone, then definitely it will go back on uptrend fully. So this is very important. This is still selling at the moment. It might not be for a very long time before it goes fully into a buy trend, okay? So this is very important. These are what we are able to come up with in today's analysis. And of course, if you love the content you are getting from here, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video, and share this video with friends and family. Thank you.